In this video, I'm going to share it to you on how you can reduce the font size in Microsoft Excel to 8 or any font size number. So let's get started. Open your Excel sheet, okay? So we have this one from here. First thing that we need to do is we just need to select the text or the words that we are going to change the font size. So what we can do is we just need to simply drag the cursor, okay? Then click on the Home tab, and then here you will find this option, this font settings, okay? And here you have here the font, so you can simply choose the font from here if you want to change it. Then you have here for the size, okay? So you have here 8. You have here any of the font size, and this is up to 72, or you can customize from here, like simply select numbers that or a specific size that you want to. Let's say, for example, 100, like that. And as you can see, you have here the preview. Now let's go with 8. Then, as you can see, you have the preview from here, and then click on OK, and that's it. Okay, so that's how you can reduce the font size to 8 in Microsoft Excel. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.